Hey everyone, welcome back to Mr. Tech. Today, we're diving into an epic camera showdown between two flagship giants, the Google Pixel 9 Pro and the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. We're not just comparing specs, we're putting these cameras to the ultimate test. Stick around to find out which one truly captures the best shots. Let's start by breaking down the specs. The Google Pixel 9 Pro boasts a 50MP wide sensor, a 48MP ultra-wide, and a 48MP telephoto lens with 5x optical zoom. On the other side, the Samsung S24 Ultra features a 200MP primary camera, a 12MP ultra-wide, and two 10MP telephoto lenses with up to 10x optical zoom. Both phones offer cutting-edge technology, but how do they perform in real-world scenarios? Let's find out. First up, daylight photography. We tested both phones in bright, natural light to see how they handle colors and detail. The Pixel 9 Pro aims for accurate color reproduction and detail, while the S24 Ultra is known for its high-resolution prowess. Check out these shots. Which one stands out to you? Next, let's look at low-light performance. Nighttime shots can be challenging, and both phones use advanced algorithms to handle darkness. The Pixel 9 Pro leverages its computational photography capabilities, while the S24 Ultra uses a larger sensor and advanced stabilization. Here's how they stack up. Portrait mode is another crucial test. The Pixel 9 Pro offers a natural and balanced bokeh effect, while the S24 Ultra aims for sharper details and a more pronounced background blur. Let's compare how each phone captures portraits with these shots. How about zoom? The Pixel 9 Pro's telephoto lens offers up to 5x optical zoom, whereas the S24 Ultra provides up to 10x optical zoom with excellent detail retention. We've tested various zoom levels to see which phone delivers clearer and more detailed results. Finally, let's look at video recording. Both phones offer impressive video features, including 4K and 8K recording. The Pixel 9 Pro focuses on smooth stabilization and accurate colors, while the S24 Ultra provides higher resolution and advanced stabilization. Watch these clips to see which phone excels in video quality. So there you have it, a comprehensive camera test between the Google Pixel 9 Pro and Samsung S24 Ultra. Each phone has its strengths, and choosing the right one depends on your photography needs. Which phone do you think takes the crown? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tech showdowns. Thanks for watching. Check out these other videos for more tech reviews and comparisons. See you in the next video.